Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through Is Grammarly Worth It? Honest Guide. Whether you should use Grammarly depends on your writing needs. If you write regularly for work, content, or communication, it can make writing clearer, faster, and more confident. Grammarly helps correct grammar and spelling, improves clarity, tone, and readability, and highlights confusing sentences. It works across emails, documents, and browsers, fitting easily into your daily workflow. The free version covers basic grammar and spelling, but the paid version offers advanced suggestions, tone detection, and sentence rewrites. Grammarly is especially useful for professional communication, making emails sound clearer and more polished. It also works well for longer documents by catching small mistakes and awkward phrasing. The paid version can save time and reduce second-guessing for frequent writers. However, Grammarly may not be great for creative or emotional writing where your personal voice matters, and sometimes its suggestions can make writing sound too formal or robotic. Overall, Grammarly is worth it if you write regularly, and it can be a very useful tool to have in your daily routine. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.